Ask your pharmacist if this product is right for you. Before using Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder, consult your pharmacist or physician. They can advise you on how to use this medication and answer any questions you may have. If you experience any side effects from using Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder, it is important to consult your pharmacist or physician for medical advice. In the U.S., you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder, consult your pharmacist or physician. They can advise you on how to use this medication and answer any questions you may have. Remember to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder is specially formulated for the dietary management of children with allergies and related GI and allergic conditions. It provides essential nutrients and calories for children who require a hypoallergenic diet. The daily dosage of Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder varies depending on the age, weight, and medical condition of the child. It is best to follow the recommendations of your healthcare provider for the optimal timing of taking this powder. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Currently, there is no available monograph for Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder. However, this product is designed for individuals who require a nutritionally complete amino acid-based diet for the dietary management of cow's milk allergy, multiple food protein intolerance, and other conditions. It provides 478 calories per 100 grams and is suitable for children above the age of 1 and adults. The recommended daily dosage should be determined by a healthcare professional. It is best to consume this powder at the optimal times recommended by a healthcare professional. Before using Neocate Junior 16 gram, 478 Kcal/100 g oral powder, consult your pharmacist or physician. They can advise you on how to use this medication and answer any questions you may have. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.